Hey guys, it's me, Fire Alarm Dude, Fire Alarm Dude 2121, and the voting for picking cameras is closed for the Nikon Coolpix or the Flip Minio HD. I really wanted to use the Flip because it's HD, but I can't because it doesn't work with my editing software. I use Windows Movie Maker because I can't afford anything else. Yeah, and it's MP4 video, and normally it's like MP. Let me see. It's usually just video clip AVI. That's what it usually is. So, and my Windows Movie Maker only works with Windows AVI video. So, but my camera isn't going to be HD, but it still takes kind of good videos. And I'll sometimes use the Flip, but not normally.